Hello, hello, hello! Hi everyone! Today's video we're going to make a beautiful red color spaghetti. For sure it's delicious, simple to make, yet healthy because the red sauce is made from a beetroot. So stay tuned to see how it's made. And let's get started! Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Peel the beetroot. Then roughly chop. Place onto a paper-lined baking tray. Bake until soft or for around 30 minutes. When it's done, remove from the oven and let it cool. Meanwhile, prepare the water in the pot, add in salt and bring to a boil. Using a blender or food processor, we can start to puree the beetroot. Mince the garlics and then chop the shallots. Alrighty, I think it's time to add in the spaghetti. And cook the spaghetti until al dente. In a skillet over medium-high, heat in a drizzle of olive oil. Add in the garlics and the shallots and cook until soft. Add in the mushrooms and cook until tender. I think we need to check the spaghetti and go back to the skillet. I think it's al dente already. Drain the spaghetti and keep the cooking water. Add in the whole tuna and cook for 2 minutes. And don't forget to season with black pepper and salt, and you can add the dry basil. And then add in the beetroot puree. Slowly add the reserved pasta cooking water. Add fresh lemon juice. And finally, add the spaghetti to the skillet. Cook over low heat, toast until coated with the beetroot sauce. And ta-da! Our beautiful beetroot spaghetti is ready! And don't forget to try this recipe at home. Bye!